we're planting ponytail palms in our patch. These plants grow really tall, so our long-necked dinosaurs will love to stretch and eat this.
In our more barren desert section of the patch, we're planting the lithops for our imaginary dinosaur eggs.
Our dinosaurs need somewhere to drink, right? So we totally need like a lake or a watering hole.
Yeah, sounds reasonable.
Wouldn't it also be cool if our dinosaurs had a sand pit and we could call it quicksand?
Quicksand?
Back in prehistoric time, there was a lot of volcanoes. So we thought, volcano!